In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check branches on GitHub. This is incredibly useful when you want to get a grasp of the current state of a repository or manage your projects more effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the main page of the repository you're interested in. This is usually the landing page for your project, where you can see the overview of files and folders. Once you are on the main repository page, your next step is to locate the branch drop-down menu. This is found on the left side of the screen in the file tree view. If you're not seeing it there, don't worry. You can also find the branch drop-down menu at the top of the integrated file editor when you're looking at specific files. Now go ahead and click on that branch drop-down menu, and you should see an option that says View All Branches. Selecting that will take you to a comprehensive view of all the branches in this repository. From this point, you can use the navigation feature at the top of the page to explore different lists of branches, which can help you identify what you need faster. The first section you'll see is called Your Branches. This section is super helpful if you've been actively working on the project. It shows all the branches that you've pushed to, besides the default one, and it organizes them with the most recent branches listed first. Next, we have the Active Branches section. This shows branches where there have been commits in the last 3 months. You'll find these sorted by the ones that received the most recent updates. It's a great way to see which branches are currently being worked on and which ones might need your attention. In addition to these, there's also the Stale Branches view. This is where things get interesting. It lists branches that haven't seen any commits in the last 3 months, arranged by the oldest commits first. If you're looking to clean up your repository, this list is crucial for figuring out which branches can be deleted. Finally, you have the All Branches view. This option showcases the default branch at the top, followed by all other branches, again ordered by the most recent commits. This gives you a complete picture of the project's state. Here's a nifty tip. If you're searching for a specific branch and want to save some time, you can utilize the search field on the top right of the branches page. This feature allows for a simple, case-insensitive substring search on branch names. Just type in what you're searching for, and it will help you find it quickly. However, keep in mind it doesn't support complex search queries. And there you have it. That's how you check branches on GitHub. This technique can make your workflow smoother and help you manage your projects better. Don't forget, if you found this video useful, subscribe and give it a thumbs up to help others find it as well.